Hello everyone, welcome to Bhadra Academy. As we are preparing for the CUET entrance test, today we are going to discuss another topic in economics. This is what we call the concept of elasticity of supply. So how do you estimate and calculate the elasticity of supply, right? So today we will look at this one. So now first we need to understand this topic will be part of your economics mains domain subject. Okay, so those who are preparing for economics CUET can go through this. Now what is elasticity of supply concept? It simply says if the price changes from some quantity, some amount, say price changes from 10 rupees to 15 rupees, what happens to the quantity supplied? How does it change? So how much is the elasticity? That concept ये हम इसमें डिस्कस करते हैं, the elasticity of supply. So now what is the formula for elasticity of supply? Formula देखिए, elasticity of supply is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price. So it is the quantity supplied and the change in price. So the percentage we have to calculate. Now the same thing you can put it in mathematical formula if you want to put. So price elasticity of supply is equal to, if you see, delta change in quantity divided by delta change in price. You multiply this by the original price divided by original quantity. So this becomes your formula for elasticity of supply. Okay, so now if you look at this one, the price elasticity of supply, the final formula del Q upon del P, P upon Q. Now we can substitute the numbers and the values also for this formula. So how do you calculate the change in quantity supplied? The del Q and original quantity supplied multiply by 100, that gives you percentage change in the Q, that is the del Q. Okay. Similarly, change in the Q, right, that is the change in del Q, you can find by new Q minus old Q. Okay, so that is how we apply this formula. Similarly, percentage change in price, you can easily find that is the change in price divided by original price multiplied by 100. Clear? Now if you look at here, we can apply this formula with some problem. Let us solve the problem. Okay, now look at this one. A producer supplies how much? 800 units of something at how much? 20 rupees per unit. Okay, अभी क्या हो गया? He is ready to supply 400 units at 10 rupees. So understand, जब प्राइस 20 रुपीस है 800 यूनिट्स वो सप्लाई करता है, लेकिन जब प्राइस 10 रुपया होगा तब वो सिर्फ 400 यूनिट सप्लाई करने को तैयार है. तो अभी सवाल ये है इसका इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई क्या है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई. सो हाउ डू यू फाइंड द इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई? ओके, सो इफ यू लुक एट दिस वन, द इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई is del Q upon del P into P upon Q. So we have to find the original Q is 800, the new quantity is 400. So change in quantity is how much? 400. That gives you del Q. Clear now? फिर देखिए, original price is 20. Here we will put 20. So here you will have a 400. Correct? New price is 10. Okay, that the change in price will be 10. Right, that is the change in price, del P will be 10. What is the original quantity? The original quantity will be 800. So once you know the formula, putting the values are very easy, you can easily calculate. Okay, so that is what I try to show here, how to calculate this quantity. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now let us continue. So now let us apply the formula. Since the old quantity is higher, new quantity is lower, you have minus, and the old price is higher 20, new price is 10, so we have minus 10. Clear? So del Q is 400, del P is 10, minus 10. Now original price was 20, original quantity is 800. Now if you solve this equation, right, 400 divided by 10, you will get 40. 20 divided by 800, you will get 0.025, right? You multiply this, you will get price elasticity of supply equal to 1. Follow? So what I have done is very simple. We try to take the sum. Okay, this is your original unit, right? Quantity here Q. This is your original price here 20. Change in quantity 800 minus 400, it becomes 400, and change in price 20 minus 10, it becomes 10. Understood now? So if you apply this formula and solve this, you can very easily find the price elasticity of supply, and which is equal to 1. Understand? So in your exam आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, what is the price elasticity, आप mentally भी calculate कर सकते हैं. ओके, फॉर्मूला इसके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. क्लियर नाउ? सो कीप फॉलोइंग ऑल आवर वीडियोस. आई विल बी गिविंग यू मोर एंड मोर practical sum solving for your CUET exam preparation. And if you have any queries or if you want more information, you can contact Bhadra Academy at 8638391721. Okay, so keep following all our videos and we will give you more topics for study. Thank you.